Sometimes we need to remove the unnecessary part from our geometry. So in this video, I will explain how the trim entities work, how we can use this command. So at first I need to draw a sketch. Okay. I'm just drawing a random model. Okay, done. I need to click on the trim entities command. Click here. Then here you can see many options: power, corner, trim away inside, trim away outside. Our first option is power trim. Let's select it. Now I need to remove this part, cut this part. So I will just drag my mouse from this point to this point. You can see. Okay. Okay. Our sketch is removed. Now you can see I have removed the unnecessary part from my sketch. Let's draw another sketch. Okay. Again, click on the trim entities. Here you can see second option is corner. In this mode, I want to cut this option from this point to this point and this point to this point. So I need to select this line and this line. Now you can see this part has been removed. If I select this part and this part like that. If you want to keep this part and remove from this point to this point, then just select here. You can see. Then another option is trim away inside. If you want to trim the inside part of this box, then just select this line and this line. Then select this part. Just like this, it works. Then click on trim away outside. You just want to remove this part. So click here. Okay. You can see this part has been removed. And trim to closest. This is very simple. Here you can see. So this is the use of trim command. Thank you everyone.